Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester Sport here. Today I'm going to show you how the Auto Vehicle Hold or AVH works on Subaru Forester. AVH is a pretty cool system where basically the car holds itself for you and you don't have to keep your foot on the brake. So naturally you will find the system very useful, especially if you have to drive through a lot of red lights and you just don't want to sit there with your foot on your brake. So here's how it works. On your console here, you're going to see a button called AVH. Once you press it, you're going to see AVH, Auto Vehicle Hold, light up on your dashboard. So I'm going to show you how it works now. My plan is to drive up to like 3 miles an hour and then come to a full stop. All right, start driving. Speed is 2 miles an hour. I slow down. And as you see, the moment you come to a full stop, you're going to have a green circle under the AVH sign. That means the vehicle is holding itself in place for you. So like I said, it's a great system that I personally use a lot, especially here in the stop and go traffic in Brooklyn. And finally, here's a video of how I use it in the real world. So, auto vehicle hold in practice. I'm coming to a full stop. All right. I'm at 0. I see the circle turn green. That means I could release the brake pedal, which I'm going to do right now. All right, the foot is off the brake, the car is holding, the circle is on. That means auto vehicle hold is working. Once the light turns green, how do I release it? I basically have two options. Either I press on the brake again, just tap it gently, the brake pedal, and then I start rolling. Or the second way to start moving is just simply by tapping on the gas. I prefer tapping on the gas option, just feels more natural to me. I'm tapping on the gas and I'm just going. Perfect. So yeah, very neat little system here. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more useful videos like this.